Hello guys, welcome to my experience at the SunSet beach in South Africa. This video is going to be super exciting as I'm going to share with you what I encountered, how I spent my day at the beach, and the exercise that I've been doing. Wow, I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy. As you can see guys, I was super energetic. I was running the whole seashore and I was really enjoying, and other people as well were enjoying. You see a smile on my face. Yeah, you always know if it's your first time doing something, you get a lot of energy and you want to do it more and more. Yeah, I wasn't tired. I was just running around. That was an exciting day for me guys. Check that smile on my face. Yeah. What an exciting day. Other people were also there at the beach and they were enjoying. Actually met this couple. Yeah, it's a sweet couple, and we started having a conversation. They started to tell me about they came from Palestine. Yeah, they were talking about Palestine and they were asking me about Zimbabwe, and they were actually saying, wow, we are really enjoying South Africa. It's such a cool place. Yeah, this guy.
Okay, by the way, I'm not a South African.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you think about Palestine?
Palestine.
Yes.
I just heard about Palestine. But I don't really know a lot about it.
Okay. You know, they also have an apartheid system. They live under an apartheid system in Palestine.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, since 1948, they've been living under an apartheid system.
Up to when?
Oh,
Really?
so look it up, do some research and see what's going on. It's the
Yeah.
same. What happened in South Africa is happening in
Right now in
Palestine.
Palestine.
Right now.
I'm definitely going to research
Please
about it.
do it.
It was really nice meeting you,
You
Diana.
too. You too. You
Hello,
too.
my brother. I enjoy it.
What name
Yeah,
this?
my YouTube channel Decent Mhloro, DECENTMHLORO. That's Decent Mhloro.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Come find you.
Ciao. You have a great day. Bye bye.